Hello friends. Welcome to Global Digital Cash Coin, that is GDC Coin. What is GDC? Let's know about it. Hey, did you worried about the risk of being hacked with your digital assets? Don't worry now. As Global Digital Cash, we assure you about the security. As security is our #1 concern and priority, our systems are constantly upgraded and tested to ensure that we are exceeding industry best standards. To protect users, we require two-factor authentication for all withdrawals and API usage. The entirety of GDC is protected by SSL, so you can rest easy about the safety of your funds and personal information. We are making the buying and selling of cryptocurrency simpler, better and faster. GDC is your one-stop solution for digital cryptocurrency exchanger platform. Send and receive cryptocurrency on your fingertips with our mobile application, or visit our local exchanger and exchange your cryptocurrency with your desired currency like USD, Euro, INR, etc. GDC Exchanger is equipped with state-of-art software technology offering you the best exchange rates in the market. GDC will give you peace of mind of chances of frauds, scams, hacking and viruses, etc. At GDC Exchanger, we bring trust and transparency in the cryptocurrency transactions. We will be the largest real-time gross settlement network in the world. This is just an introduction to GDC Coin. There is lots of more interesting and exciting about GDC Coin. So, what are you waiting for? Join the digital revolution today.